Experience the wonders of the future with virtual reality, exploring ancient ruins, galaxies, and making your own furniture. Unlock the door to a thrilling new dimension of entertainment, education, and exploration. Take a journey into the future where amazing new visions of reality come to life. Step into a world of endless possibilities with the power of virtual reality. Now, you can transport yourself to ancient ruins, explore interconnected galaxies, and create your own one-of-a-kind furniture. Unlock the door to a thrilling new dimension of entertainment, education, and exploration. Join us to uncover the incredible potential of virtual reality technology and experience the wonders that await us. Take the first step into a new world of possibilities and join us on the NXT Gen channel to unlock the secrets of virtual reality technology. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more exciting content to come. Are you ready for an amazing experience that will transport you to a whole new world? Virtual reality action games offer intense combat and a white-knuckle adventure. From Beat Saber and Superhot VR to Onward and Pavlov VR, there's something for everyone who loves fast-paced action. Plus, you can try out fighting games like Knockout League and Creed Rise to Glory for an immersive battle with incredible visuals. With virtual reality technology, you can explore thrilling experiences like never before. So what else is possible when we explore these virtual realms? What kind of discoveries await us? Exploring virtual worlds can take you to places you can never experience in real life. From ancient ruins and distant planets to magical realms and post-apocalyptic landscapes, the possibilities for amazing journeys are only limited by your imagination. Plus, these exciting new experiences can also have educational benefits. From visiting historic sites to learning about different cultures around the world, VR offers an unprecedented opportunity for exploration. So why not take off your shoes and take yourself on an adventure? The future of travel is right at our fingertips. But what else awaits us if we choose to go beyond just embracing other worlds? What kind of discoveries will unfold before us when we embrace virtual reality adventures? VR technology not only allows you to explore exciting new places, but it also provides educational opportunities. With VR travel experiences, you can immerse yourself in a variety of foreign cultures without ever leaving the comfort of your own home. Tech-based museums are now being implemented worldwide, and virtual reality is providing us with new ways to engage and interact with historical sites and cultural artifacts. You can uncover layers of secrets deep within interactive exhibits that bring history alive through interactive storybooks. These cutting-edge digital libraries are leading the way into the future, showcasing objects that would otherwise be impossible for most people to experience firsthand due to geographic or financial restraints. So what potential do virtual reality museums hold? What do you think? Leave a comment with your own thoughts on how experiencing artwork virtually allows people to reinterpret their own aesthetic values. Have you ever wanted to explore ancient ruins, tour historical sites, or witness the Age of Enlightenment firsthand? With virtual reality technology, you can do all of that and more. You can take a virtual tour of places like the British Museum's Egyptian tomb, the Smithsonian American Art Museum's collection, or even the Paris's Louvre, all with just one click. You can also use interactive storyboards to bring history alive and interact with these exhibits. But how does virtual reality change our view on established facts? How will this new form of education benefit society? Imagine taking a journey through time without ever leaving your house. With virtual reality technology, you can go back in time and experience history as if it's happening right in front of you. Put on some VR goggles and you can visit ancient Egyptian temples, explore the Roman Colosseum, or even walk around Civil War battlefields, all from the comfort of your own home. There are just so many possibilities for exploring different historical eras with just one click, giving us an amazing educational opportunity that we've never had before. But how does this new form of travel affect us? By being able to explore these incredible sites in depth, we gain access to things that people have only ever dreamed of. However, what kind of emotional connections will people make when experiencing faraway places virtually from their own homes? How will virtual reality change our idea of home when we can easily access both distant locations and past experiences? Would you like to explore and express your creativity in a way that's only possible with virtual reality technology? With VR, you can now design your perfect home and explore stunning pathways at world-renowned galleries right from the comfort of your living room. You have control over every detail. You can choose paint colors, furniture pieces, and even visit art galleries around the globe, immersing yourself into different scenes while still keeping one foot firmly planted in reality. VR makes it easy to appreciate works of art without ever stepping outside. From beautiful murals spanning an entire wall to delicate artifacts worthy of admiration, these impossible-to-see museums are now available to everyone who has a VR device. No matter what kind of artistic mediums we're talking about, from painting and photography to sculpture, you'll always feel connected because no two experiences within them will ever be quite the same again, once viewed through a virtual reality lens. That allows us to gain a unique appreciation for various types of visual expression and narrative forms. So how does experiencing artwork virtually allow people to reinterpret their own aesthetic values? What do you think? Leave a comment with your thoughts on how experiencing artwork virtually lets people reinterpret their own aesthetic values. Exploring art with virtual reality is a cool way to experience something new. You can visit the galleries of famous museums from anywhere in the world and create your own artwork from the comfort of your own home. Plus, you can even design your own furniture and choose paint colors as if it's really there. Virtual reality is also creating new possibilities for interactive performance art. Audiences can be transported right onto the stage and feel like they're part of the show. This opens up interesting avenues for engaging our senses in immersive experiences. We can not only visualize art but also experience soundscapes, depth perception, and even smell. This opens up endless possibilities for how we can use technology to challenge commonly accepted notions of art, and what kinds of innovation will follow its implementation. Tackling challenges in virtual reality can be a really cool and exciting experience. From solving puzzles to completing everyday office tasks, the possibilities are endless for an immersive challenge that requires focus and creativity. With games like Job Simulator and The Room VR, A Dark Matter, you can escape into new worlds with different perspectives. Plus, virtual reality is being used more and more with physical therapy, so patients can do movement-based exercises while they work on their rehabilitation goals. But what about other fields? What kind of awesome solutions could we unlock through VR technology when it comes to exploring our own universe? Viewing outer space usually through virtual reality gives us access like never before. Not only do we get to see distant planets, but there's also the potential for amazing scientific discoveries when we're visiting places beyond human reach. With advanced 3D imaging software combined with haptic feedback suits or robot avatars, we'll have incredible opportunities ahead of us in terms of understanding scale differences between galaxies that we've never been able to see before. So how will this help us become better prepared for our cosmic future? Have you ever wanted to explore galaxies, stars, and planets in virtual reality? Well, now you can. You can take on some of the space exploration's biggest challenges, like designing a new spacecraft or a spacesuit that is safe for astronauts traveling at incredible speeds through outer space, or piloting your own rover across Mars. With modern advances in computer graphics technology and innovative haptic feedback suits, we are closer than ever to unlocking incredible experiences in the unknown universe. But how far can virtual reality take us? How can it help us discover more about the cosmos and further real-life innovation? VR technology allows us to explore exciting new places, gain educational opportunities, and express our creativity in ways we never thought possible. We can explore ancient ruins, tour historical sites, witness the Age of Enlightenment, and create our own artwork from the comfort of our own home. VR also enables us to explore outer space and take on some of space exploration's biggest challenges. With modern advances in computer graphics technology and innovative haptic feedback suits, we are closer than ever to unlocking incredible experiences in the unknown universe. So what potential do virtual reality museums hold, and how far can VR take us? What kind of discoveries await us if we embrace these virtual adventures? Are you ready to experience the world of the MetaQuest 2? This revolutionary game takes virtual reality to the next level. With stunning graphics, immersive environments, and an intense storyline, this game is sure to be an unforgettable experience. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind adventure. Find out if the MetaQuest 2 is worth your money now.